Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Myself Sneha Pemberti. Today we are going to study our fourth topic of grammar, that is capital letters and full stop. Now before we start this lesson, I am going to once again revise the three lessons what we have studied in the three lessons of grammar book. Now first lesson we have seen that alphabetical order, that we have arranged the letters in an alphabetical way, or the alphabetical order we have arranged the words. Now the second lesson we have studied sentences. Now while form the sentence, we have some rules have follow that. Which are that rules? Yes, just remind that rules once again. Yes. When we are going to form a sentence, that time we are studied the rules, or the three rules we have seen. First one is that whenever we have formed the sentence, the first letter it should be the capital letter, and the second rule that after ending the sentence, end of the sentence, we have to give the full stop. Okay. Now third rule we have seen that one, sometimes we can change the word, the position of the word we have to change, and we can, or we not like that, sorry, that sometimes we have to name of that person or the anything, that place, or the, I have told you while form the sentence that we have to write the first letter, it should be the capital. Okay. Now in the third lesson, that is questions. In that what we have seen, when we have to form a question, that means of question is what? When we have to ask something, and when we have to form the question, after ending the sentence we have to give the question mark. So that is we can call questions. And with the help of 5 words, question words, we can form a sentence, we can ask the questions. Okay. Now when that time while the solving the example, I have told you that one, that we have to sometimes we have to write the person name or the girl name, it has come while solving the example. So I have told you that one, that we have to write the name of the person, it should be the first letter, it should be the capital. So today we are going to discuss about this lesson, that where we are going to use the capital letters and where we have to give the full stop. Okay. Now students, you already know that one, we have studied the capital letters and the small letters as well as small letters in nursery onwards. There are 26 alphabets, we can see that one. Okay, A to Z. Now these letters, with the help of these letters, we can form a word, we can form a sentence, we can form a questions. Now while form a question, while form a sentence, that time we are using capital letter as well as small letters. Both letters we are going to use to form a sentence. Now today we are going to see the more detail, that where we are going to use the capital letter, where we are going to use the small letter, where we have to give the full stop. The detail we are going to see in this chapter. So our fourth chapter is capital letters and full stop. Okay. Now open your grammar textbook. Take out your pencil, eraser, sharpener with you. Don't write it anything, just listen carefully. Whenever I am going to give the instruction, that time you have to copy the answer in your textbook. Till that you have to, don't write it anything, just open your grammar textbook, page number 12. Fourth lesson. See here what it has given. We know that in English there are 2 types of letters. Just now I have told you that there are 2 types of letters, or we can say alphabets. We can say alphabets. Which are they? They are capital letters as well as small letters. Which are they? Capital letters and small letters and capital letters. Okay. Now here you can see, here Teddy is showing small letters and one bird we can say it's showing the capital letters. They are saying that these are the capital letters and these are the small letters. There are 26 letters we can see in capital and small letters. 26 letters we can see here. Now here capital letters, when we are going to use it. See here, capital letters we write with the small letters, but we also use capital letters. See, I have told you now that we are writing the names or the anything while form the sentence, that time we are using capital letters, but also we are using the small letters. Okay. Let us learn the correct use of capital letters. Now today what we are going to see? We are going to see that how to form using the capital letters in the sentence. Now here first example it is given. Read this sentence. First one, today is a holiday. Then full stop it is given. After full stop again the sentence has continue that my school is closed. Now you can see here T, this it has first letter. Whenever we have to start the sentence, first letter it should be the capital. So here T also it has given the capital letter. Then after finishing this sentence, what it has given? Full stop. The next sentence whenever we have to start, again what we have to do? We have to start first letter again capital letter. Here also M it has given capital letter. Okay. Now I have, whenever you just remind this thing that one we have to start the first letter, it should be the capital and end with the full stop. Now here the question they have asked, where do you see the capital letters? You can see the capital letters here. First one, whenever the beginning the sentence, you can see both side. Whenever the sentence has started, that time you can see the capital letters. Now here see, capital letters come at the beginning of a sentence. I have told you that capital letters it will come when we have to start the sentence. When it is beginning, that time we can write the capital letter. Now here special names also begin with the capital letters. When in the last chapter I have told you, while writing the example there are some names it has come, Vihan, like that. So I have told you that one Vihan, I have wrote with the capital. Why I have told you this is the name of that is the name of a person. Now here what they are saying that special names also begin with the capital letters. Now there are some names also we can write in the capital letters. Here example it is given. See, the name of my best friend is Madhu. Here already the sentence is started with the first letter, it is T, it has given capital letter. But after that you can see the next all the letters it has given in the small letters. Okay. And after is you can see it is the Madhu. Here Madhu, M it has written in the capital. Why? Because this is the name of a person. I have told you whenever the person name it will come, we have going to detail in this one that why Madhu. In Madhu M it has given capital because this is the name of a person. Okay. Now here see, we always write I in capital. See, I always we have to write in the capital. Don't write I in the small letter. Whenever we have to write I in the capital letter. Don't write it in the small letter. Okay. Just now I have told you that one we have to write I in the capital letter. For example, it is given my friend and I study in class 3. See here again I it is given in the capital letter. Okay. Just remind this, keep remind, always you have to remind these words that one when we have to start the capital letters, which things we have to use that one while form a sentence. Okay. Now here you can see list, it has given that with the help of this letter, with the help of this letters or with the help of this special names, that we can start or we can begin that letter in the capital. The letters we can write in the capital. Now first, one by one we are going to see that. First one is name of a person. See, anyone's name, not it here given that Jyoti, Mitali, anyone's name, any person name, girl, boy, we can say any person name. That time first letter we have to start with the capital letter. Now here Jyoti, J, and Mitali, M. The both letter it has given in the bold printed. Why? Because it is started in the, this is the name of a person. So there we have to write this first letter in the capital. Okay. Now next one is names of days. Whenever we have to write the names of the days, Sunday, Monday, suppose Sunday, Monday to till 7 days we can say that one. While that time we have to write again capital letters. Okay. Here given Mondays, Saturdays, M and S. It is given in the bold printed. And here it is, we can see that one M and S it has started in the capital letters. Okay. See here name of a person, that time we have to write the capital letters, and names of the days whenever it will come, that time first letter we have to use. Whenever you are going to write the days, names of the days, the first letter you are going to use capital letter. Next is names of months. Now here there are, how many months are there? 12 months. Okay. In 12 months, whenever you are going to write the name of that months, that time you are using first letter capital letter. Here you can see February F and July J. These letter, while writing this name of the months, the letter you can see first one it is written in the capital. So whenever you are going to write in the names of the months, that time first letter you are going to use capital letter. Okay. Now next is names of subjects. Now you are having 6 subject I think, but you are having more than 9 subject you can say that one. So whenever you are going to write the subject name, the first letter, suppose here English E it has given in the capital letter, and next one is art, which you can say drawing, you can say drawing. So here A and E it is written in the capital letter. So whenever you are going to write the subject name, that time first letter you are going to use capital letter. Okay. Now next one, names of countries and cities. See here there are some countries and cities names, you have to read that one. India, Japan, Delhi. India it is our country, Japan this is the another country, Delhi this is the city we can say, which is located in our India. Now here whenever you are going to write in the SST, there are the countries you can see that one, countries or the oceans or the continents. So that time whenever you are going to write the first letter, what you have to use? First letter you have to use a capital letter. Now here India I, Japan J, and Delhi D. This letter it is written in the capital. India this is the country which are located in Asia continent. Japan this is the another country we can say, and Delhi this is the one of the city which is located in our India. Now here names of schools. Here one name it is given, school name, modern school, modern high school. Now here you can see M, modern, in the modern M it is given capital letter. In the school, S it has given capital letter. Rather than this, you can see that the other name of school it is model. M it has given capital letter, high, H it has given capital letter, and again school it has given in the capital letter. So whenever you are going to mention the school name, suppose our school name is what? Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. So whenever you are writing the Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School, the first letter is the capital Nagesh Karasgi, K is capital, Orchid O capital, and again school S capital. So you can see here, whenever you are going to mention our school name, Nagesh, first one N we have to write in the capital, then after Karasgi, K we have to write in the capital letter, Orchid, that time O we have to write in the capital letter, and S school, S we have to write in the capital letter. So whenever you are going to mention the school name, that time the first letter you have to use capital letter. Now names of rivers and seas we can see. Now here Yamuna, this is the river name, and Red Sea, this is the name of a sea. So here whenever there are rivers name or the sea name you have to mention Arabian Sea, that time you have to use the capital letter. Now here Yamuna, Y it has written in the capital, and Red Sea, R it has given in the capital letter. Okay. Now last but not the least, names of festivals. There are so many festivals we are going to celebrate throughout the year. Now here some festival name we can see here: Holi, Onam, Eid, Christmas. So whenever you are going to write the name of the festival, that time you also use capital letter. First letter you have to use whenever you are going to write the festival name. First letter you have to write the capital letter, and remaining letters you can use in the small letters. Okay. So when there are some group of list, that with the help of this group of list we can use the capital letters. With the help of this we can use the capital letters. Now which are they? First one, names of person. Whenever we can write the name of person, that time we have to start with the first letter, capital letter. Again names of days, that time names of months, names of subjects, names of countries and cities, names of schools, names of rivers, seas, names of festival. Okay. We can see here with these special names that begins with the capital letters, there are as follow. Okay. Now here question it has given, rewrite this sentence using capital letters where you think they are necessary. Now we have seen there these special names we have seen here. Now with the help of this, or we can say that one, here sentence it has given, what we have to do, we have to once again rewrite that, and while the form the sentence, what we have to do, we have to use the capital letter where it is necessary. Okay. Now one by one we are going to solve these examples. Now here 6 examples has given, one by one we are going to solve it, but while I am giving the answer you don't write it, I will give you time, that time you can copy the answer from, you can see on the screen and you can copy that, but while I am going to teach you this, that time you don't write any answer, just listen carefully, and where we have to use the capital letters, just remember that one, understand that one, then you have to copy that one. Okay, one by one we are going to solve here. Now what is the question? Once again we have to read. that rewrite this sentence using capital letters where you think they are necessary. Now with the help of this sentence, once again we have to write this sentence, and wherever we need that capital letters, it should be the necessary, that time that area, that position, that time we are going to write the letter, while form the sentence we have to use the capital letter. Now here first one, the dog is barking loudly. Now already it has given full stop. Now whenever I have told you, after ending the sentence we have to give the full stop. But before, what we are going to see? We are going to see the capital letters where we are going to use it. Okay. Now here the dog is barking loudly. Now here first letter already it has given in the small letter. Here everything we can say, this group of words it has given in the small letters. So where we necessary, where we need, where it is necessary that we have to write the capital letters, that time or that position of that letters we have to change it. Now here see that one, whenever we have to, I have told you that one so many times, once again I am going to repeat it. Whenever we have to start the letter, or whenever we have to start the sentence, the first letter it is capital. So whenever here the it has given the capital, so first letter of this word the T we have to write in the capital letter. So the dog is barking loudly. Then we have to give the full stop. What we have done, some changes we have done in the sentence. What we have done, that first letter we have wrote in the capital letter. So coming to the next one, I will be late for my school. Now here I have told you we have to write I in the capital letter. Now here we can say, here I it is given in the small letter. So whenever we have to beginning the sentence, first letter it should be the capital. Okay. Now here I am writing I. Remaining letters we can write as a small. So whenever you have to form the sentence, first it should be the letter it is capital. Now I wrote capital. Now remaining we can write as it is in the small letter. I will be late for my school. Full stop. Okay. Now third one, Divya is my best friend. Now here Divya, this is the name of a girl. So just remind that some special names we have just seen that one, that whenever the person name it will come, either they are the boy or the girl, first letter what we are going to use? Yes, we have to use capital letter. Now Divya, this is the name of a girl. Now here Divya, D we have to write in the capital letter. Remaining letters we can write in the small letter. Divya, D I wrote in the capital. Next is my best friend. Full stop. Now fourth one, she stays in Delhi. I have told beginning we have to always beginning first capital letter. Now here you can see here name of a city it is given. Now Delhi, this is the name of a city. So what we have to do, whenever we have to mention the name of cities, countries, again what we have to do, we have to write the first letter in the capital. So what the answer it will come? Here again she, S we have to write in the capital, remaining letters we have to write in the small letter. Okay, she stays in Delhi. Delhi, D I am going to write here capital. Why? Because it is the name of a city. Okay. Now fifth one is I study in modern public school. Now here they are given the name of a school. So I have told you, whenever you are going to mention the school name, first letter you are going to use capital letters. So again I here it is given the small letter. Beginning of the sentence what we have to do? We have to write the capital letter. Okay, I wrote here capital letter. Remaining study in the small letter, in, this is also in small letter. Now here modern public school. While writing this name of the school, first letter we are using capital letters. So modern M I am going to write in the capital, remaining letters I am going to write here in the small letter. Public, P is capital letter, remaining letter we have to write in the small. School, S we have to write in the capital, and remaining letters we have to write in the small letters, and after that we have to give the full stop. Now the last example we can say in this question, last example, we will visit Agra in December. What is the sentence? We will visit Agra in December. Now here you can say, here Agra, this is the name of a city, and again here you can see this is the name of a month. So two things here it has come. Now what to do? Again, whenever it is come in the sentence, city name, person name, school name, or the month's name, or the day's name, it will come. First letter what we have to do? First letter we have to use the capital letter. So while writing the answer, first always we have to begin with the capital letter. V here, W I wrote in the capital. Now again it will come as it is. I am going to write here in the small. Next visit, also we have to write the small. Now here Agra, this is the name of a city. So here Agra, A I am going to write in the capital letter. Agra, again in, I wrote in the small letter. Now here December, this is the name of a month. Now while writing the name of the month, that time also we have to write the first letter using capital letter. Now December, D I am going to write it here capital letter, and remaining letters as it is I wrote the small letters. Then after finishing the sentence, what I have given? I have given the full stop. Now students, you can note down this answer in your grammar textbook. Okay. So today what we have learned? We have learned where the uses of capital letters, and there are the 26 letters we have seen that one, capital letters as well as small letters. Where we have to use the capital letters, where we have to use the small letters, we have studied in this chapter. In the next chapter we are going to study about the where we have to use the full stop. That detail I am going to give in the next period. Okay, till then, bye.